Right now we have the situation that these places of safety are far in the north of Italy, which means days and days of sailing for our vessels, which means a more expensive operation, which means more risk again on the people we rescued, because they deserve a place of safety which is assigned quickly, but then also reached quickly. And this is something we need to work out with the Italian government, how they could still continue giving these faraway ports, because in international maritime law it's clearly stated it needs to be the closest safe port as possible to relieve the ship as quick as possible. And this is right now not met.
There's also a requirement to collect expressions of interest from people who may want to apply for asylum, and to provide authorities with this data, which again is something that appears to qualify as beginning, as a start of the process for the screening of the application while the people are still at sea. And again, like I said, it is in contradiction to all guidelines issued by the responsible bodies like UNHCR.
For us, it's a shame, because it's again a one-sided conduct or code which is requested from our side, while we are the ones who are keeping attached to international laws and maritime law, and while countries like Italy and the European Union, including Malta, are ignoring these rights and these laws since years. So for us, it's a bit of a strange situation to put up a code of conduct which is only addressing two civil NGOs, while the politics are the ones who are breaching laws since years.